There are many products available to choose yoga mats, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best yoga mats from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. NewMe Fitness Instructional Yoga Mat. The top of NewMe Fitness Yoga Mat features 70 illustrated yoga poses to help you master new movements, making it a great choice for beginners. We found each pose visually clear and easy to follow. Alongside its visual appeal, this mat also boasts dependable grip and comfortable cushioning, offering support without compromising balance. During testing, we found the lightweight mat to be portable. It rolls up easily and is comfortable to carry. We also appreciate that it's priced lower compared to other options we tested, making it even more appealing to beginners. The mat is also easy to clean, so you can confidently use it during indoor and outdoor flows. Number 2. Gaiam Classic Solid 5mm Yoga Mat. Gaiam's Classic Solid Color Yoga Mat pleasantly surprised us, proving to be just as durable as other higher-priced options. Throughout testing, we found it helped elevate our workouts to the next level, even enhancing our balance during challenging flows thanks to its textured, grippy top layer. The bottom also has a tacky texture, providing extra non-slip traction and making the mat reversible. Finding the perfect thickness can be challenging, especially with budget-friendly yoga mats, but this one strikes the right balance. It offers ample cushioning without sacrificing stability, ensuring we remain steady during practice. Despite its support, we appreciate that this mat remains one of the lighter options on our list for easy portability. Number 3. Manduka Pro Long and Wide 6mm Large Yoga Mat. No home gym is complete without a yoga mat, and Manduka's Pro Long and Wide mat is an investment worth making. It's crafted from durable materials with a high-quality construction that will last for years. In addition to being a supportive option for yoga, we found that this hefty mat is equally well-suited for bodyweight exercises and weight training. Along with a textured topside, the mat has a bubble-textured bottom layer that delivers even more grip and security. This double-sided grip helps us feel safe and confident that the multi-purpose mat won't move under us during any type of exercise. Potential flaws: this mat, weighing in at 22 pounds, isn't exactly easy to carry around. We suggest keeping it in your home gym rather than lugging it to and from the studio. Number 4. Jade Yoga Harmony Yoga Mat. If you gravitate toward hot yoga or simply tend to sweat while you practice, Jade Yoga's Harmony Yoga Mat is our top choice. The natural, open-cell rubber creates a non-slip surface perfect for staying put on your mat, even in sweaty sessions. An important note: no matter how grippy your hot yoga mat, you may want to consider using a yoga towel for added safety, says Mandy Ingber, yoga teacher and author of Yogalosophy, 28 Days to the Ultimate Mind-Body Makeover. During testing, we found that this mat provides an optimal amount of padding without being too plush. It's not just beneficial for your practice, it's great for the environment as well. Jade Yoga plants a tree for each mat sold, so you can feel confident that your purchase makes a positive impact. Potential flaws: we noticed that the initial rubber smell lingers during the first few uses. Number 5. Gaiam Classic Solid 5mm Yoga Mat. Gaiam's Classic Solid Color Yoga Mat pleasantly surprised us, proving to be just as durable as other higher-priced options. Throughout testing, we found it helped elevate our workouts to the next level, even enhancing our balance during challenging flows thanks to its textured, grippy top layer. The bottom also has a tacky texture, providing extra non-slip traction and making the mat reversible. Finding the perfect thickness can be challenging, especially with budget-friendly yoga mats, but this one strikes the right balance. It offers ample cushioning without sacrificing stability, ensuring we remain steady during practice. Despite its support, we appreciate that this mat remains one of the lighter options on our list for easy portability. Potential flaws: We noticed that this mat unrolls fairly easily, so we wish it came with a carrying strap for more convenient portability. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.